Dor Moria, a non governmental non profit organization based in Israel, said that Israeli society is very keen on joining BRICS to strengthen economic ties with the global south and has sought India's help in joining the economic bloc. Dor Moria, in support and cooperation with organizations including the Shalom Schwarzbart Foundation, the Association of Sports, Culture, Education, Innovation and Development Ascend, the Club of Social Initiatives, One Future, and the Sai Wo Business Community, has been making efforts in BRICS member countries to strengthen Israel's economic ties with a focus on India and the United Arab Emirates. In a statement issued in India, Dor Moria's President Igor Kamenik and Director Grigory Pelman announced that the NGO's continued efforts to strengthen Israel's economic ties with the BRICS countries, particularly with crucial support from India and the United Arab Emirates. Bob Friedman, chairman of the supervisory board of Dor Moria, and Grigory Pelman, director of international projects at Dor Moria, have urged India to support Israel's accession to BRICS. According to Friedman, India can serve as Israel's conduit into the heart of the global south. He noted that in the absence of public consensus on Israel's future image, membership in BRICS would open new opportunities for the country and strengthen its international standing. Grigory Pelman said that to promote this initiative, Dor Moria, the Shalom Schwarzbart Foundation Ascend, One Future, and Sai Wo have created a coordination council for promoting Israel's accession to BRICS, headed by Bob Friedman. The council members include Chairman Bob Friedman, a businessman and philanthropist, and council members include Grigory Pelman, who is also coordinator of the Club of Social Initiatives One Future, Igor Kamenik, a journalist, mediator, and director of Dor Moria, Michael Finkel, a rabbi, political scientist, public figure, and head of the Shalom Schwarzbart Foundation, and Eugene Brick, an architect and vice president of Ascend. The council will work on the strategy and practical steps necessary for Israel's successful accession to BRICS, emphasized Igor Kamenik, president of Dor Moria. In February 2023, with the backing of the One Future International Business Club for Socially Responsible Entrepreneurs, a landmark conference was held. This event brought together leading entrepreneurs and experts from Israel, India, and the UAE, serving as a significant step towards fortifying economic and social ties among these nations. Distinguished leaders such as Dr. Andrei Gasrovsky, Dr. Grigory Pelman, Dr. Sergei Dvoryanov, Dr. Saleh Hamid Safif Hamid, Kuldeepak Mittal, and Purnima Anand played pivotal roles in organizing the conference. Bob Friedman concluded, Israel's strategic reorientation towards cooperation with the global south through participation in BRICS represents an important step towards enhancing the country's economic stability and prosperity. This course will not only enable Israel to strengthen its international position, but also create new opportunities for development and addressing pressing regional issues. Israel's potential membership in BRICS, supported by the collaborative efforts of Dor Moria and the Shalom Schwarzbart Foundation, the Ascend and One Future, and the Sai Wo, promises a future of enriched economic and social ties benefiting both Israel and its partners, especially India.
देश विदेश की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों से अपडेट रहने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर दबाएं ताकि सभी खबरों से आप और आपके जानने वाले रह सके अपडेट।